Let us move to the first question of 7.2 exercise. The question is, draw number lines and locate the points on them. We have to draw and locate these fractions. First is 1 by 2, second is 1 by 4, third is 3 by 4 and fourth is 4 by 4. Now see, let us see the denominators. Denominator are here 2 and 4. 4 is the greater one, so we will take 4 as our division. We will start from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal divisions we will take and we will start putting the fraction. Since there are 4 equal parts, so the first part will be 1 by 4, second part will be 2 by 4, third part will be 3 by 4 and fourth part will be 4 by 4. Now we will see if we can cancel or we can simplify this kind of questions. Let us see. 1 by 4 cannot be divided. 2 by 4 can be actually further divided. So 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 1 by 2. Then 3 by 4 cannot be divided and 4 by 4 is nothing but actually 1. So for sake of simplicity we are writing it. Both the fractions are actually representing the same number. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, 4 by 4 is 1. And here we have solved the question in this easy way. Now let us move for the other question. The other question says that we have to represent in the B part 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8 and 7 by 8 as well. We will draw the line and we will first of all pay attention that what is the denominator over here, and we will see how the denominators are. 8 parts are there, so obviously 8 parts we will make here. After the origin, that is a 0, make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It can be extended further, but we will stop till 8, right? Then here it is told to us that 1 by 8 we have to represent 1 by 8. Then 2 by 8. Next will be 3 by 8. Now 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8 and 7 by 8. These are the things that we had to represent and we have represented that in a very simple way. Okay, we know what are the positions, and this one, the left part, we can fill it out. We will fill it 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, then 8 by 8 is actually nothing but 1. We know that. Okay, so whatever the fractions were needed, we have already plotted them. So if you want to highlight those, you can highlight like 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8 and 7 by 8. Let us move to the next question. Let us see the third question. It is 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 8 by 5 and 4 by 5. In denominator, as usual, we will see it is 5. So we are going to have 5 segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now till here we will do. Then we will start putting the fractions. It is 1 by 5. It is 2 by 5, it is 3 by 5, it is 4 by 5, it is 5 by 5. Now you see that this 8 by 5 is not among them. So we will increase our segments. So it will become 6 by 5, then 7 by 5, then 8 by 5. We got it. Now we can just highlight those 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 8 by 5 and 4 by 5. Our solution is now represented. Let us move on to second question. Express the following as mixed fractions. A number 20 upon 3. How to convert it into mixed fraction? Mixed fraction means from the simple way it is written, we have to convert it into a mixed form. Let us do it. Question is 20 by 3. First of all, we have to divide this number. Let us divide 3 by 20. 3 by 20. 3, 6 are 18. Remainder will be 2, right? And here it will be 0. So remainder is 2. Then our divisor and dividend are also given. We will put, let me give you one very important hint how we are going to convert this thing. See, 3 is the denominator over here, 3 is also here, right? So this 3 will be in our denominator the second time as well. Denominator never changes. We have to always keep this thing in our mind. So denominator is 3 here, so here also it will be denominator 3 as well. Now what we have to do is we have to see what is the remainder. Remainder here is at the downside. We will put the numerator at the top. And the quotient, that means your answer 6 will be here at the front. So it became 6 2 upon 3. Right? 6 2 upon 3 is our 20 by 3 mixed form. We have to put the remainder at the top and our divisor in the denominator because it was there in the denominator as well, and our answer, that is our quotient, we have to put in the front or in the middle, you can say. Let us see the next question. Next question says that it is 11 by 5. By 5. Let us do the same thing. We will divide 5. Let us just divide it. 2s are 10. Minus comes 1 will be the remainder over here. And let us put it. So here 5 is the denominator, here also it will be 5. Remainder, I told you it will be in the top, so it will be in the top, and quotient will be in front. Now you know there is a little trick that I always wanted to share, that how can you know that your answer is correct. So there is a little trick over here that I will draw here a rough column and I will explain. Suppose your answer came and you are doubtful whether it is correct or not. So how can you check that answer? So what we have to do, children, we have to just multiply these two numbers. Okay, multiply these two numbers and add with the answer. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2, 20, right? 20. Now denominator is 3, so here also denominator will be 3. In this way our answer 20 by 3, 20 by 3, it is matching. That means this answer is absolutely correct. Now here also we can see 2 1 by 5, right? So 2 into 5, 10 plus 1, 11, and denominator is 5, so it will be a 5 only. So 11 by 5, 11 by 5 matching. That means this answer is also correct. These are the little tricks that makes our answer correct. Without wasting further time, let us solve this other questions also. 7 divided by 17. Obviously 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. We will put it here, subtracted, remainder will be 3 as usual. Now we are going to put the mixed fraction. 7 is the denominator over here, so 7 will be the denominator here also. Remainder, as I already told you, that remainder is always coming at the top and the answer is always coming here in forward. Now check it out. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3 how much? 17. 17 by 7 it is coming. That means this is also correct. Let us move to the next question. 5 divided by 28. 5 5s are 25, subtracted, then here it will be like 3 and here it would be 0. Now let us put and keep them in their places. 5 is the denominator here, 5 will be the denominator here also, and remainder is 3, so remainder will go at the top and answer here will come at forward. 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 3, 28 upon 5, again answer is correct. Then 6 divided by 19, let us divide it. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. We will subtract it, 1 will be the remainder and 6 is the denominator. So here also 6 will be the denominator, remainder will go up and 3 will come forward. Let us check it. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19, correct. Then 9 divided by 35. Let us read the table. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. So 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. Okay, 9 3s are 27 because 9 4s are it will be more. So 9 3s are 27. Let us just subtract this thing. 15 minus 7, it will be nothing but 8. Let us put 8 over here, 0 over here. Let us put 9 is here denominator. So 9 will be here denominator as well, and our remainder will go upside and the answer will come in the front. 9 3 is a 27. 27 plus 8 we will do. So 27 plus 8, obviously it is going to come 35. So this answer is also correct. Question number 3a part, the question says here, express the following as improper fractions. We have to convert all these questions. Here mixed fraction is given, you have to just convert that. Quickly we will do it. 7 3 by 4, there is a proper method that we have to follow, so we are going to follow that proper method. So see, there is one basic thing that we have to understand and that we are going to solve. I told you 4 will be the denominator now, 4 will be the denominator only. And here we know that this number and this number are going to be multiplied. So we are going to multiply it. 7 into 4. And this remainder that was above will be added. Be very careful with this thing, okay? Now 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3, 29, 30, 31. So it will be 31 upon 4. Right? You have to multiply whatever will be the answer, just plus it. 31 by 4. Then next one you see 7 is the denominator, here also 7 will be the denominator. Now this number and the downwards number we have to multiply. So we will do 5 into 7 plus 6 is equals to 7 5s are 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. 41 upon 7. Now let us move to the next question. 6 is the denominator, so here also 6 will be the denominator. 2 into 6. 2 into 6 plus 5. 2 into 6, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17. Denominator here is 6, so here it will also be 6. Then 5 is the denominator here, so 5 also here will be the denominator. 10 into 5 we will do this number and this number, we are doing multiplication, right? So 10 into 5 plus what is the number in the numerator? 3. So it will be 10 into 5, 50, 50, 51, 52, 53. 53 upon 5. Just we have to multiply this and add this. Okay. Then see the next one. 7 is the denominator over here. So 7 also will be here also. 9 into 7. 9 into 7 plus what is the top part? 3. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 3, 64, 65, 66. So it will be 66 by 7. Here. 66 by 7. Then we will see the next part. 9 is the numerator here, 8 4 by 9, right? So 9 is the numerator here, 9 will be here also. 8 into 9, 8 into 9 plus 4. 8 9s are 72, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. 76 upon 9. That's all. And this brings us to the end of the exercise. I hope you understood this exercise. In case of any doubt, you can just comment below. Thank you so much.